Thanks for checking out Oversand Tire Deflators. Today we want to discuss some of the most common questions we get, along with some tips and some maintenance advice. If you haven't already seen our video on how to set your exact PSI, be sure and check that out on our website. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns, you can contact us at support@oversand.com. Once you've set your exact PSI on your deflators, make sure that your locking cap and adjustment ring are snug. This will ensure that when you install the deflators on your wheels, your setting doesn't change. Another option would be to use the base of your deflator to install it on your valve stems. Once installed, your deflators should start operating automatically. If they do not, you can pull the center plunger to kickstart deflation. This may be necessary when the variation between your set PSI and your tire's current PSI is very small. Once each deflator stops, it is recommended to store your deflators in the provided storage tin. It is okay to drive a short distance with them installed, say from a parking lot to a trailhead, but it is not recommended to off-road with your deflators installed on the wheel. Let's say you need extra low PSI, maybe for extreme rock crawling or loose sand. The scale on Oversand tire deflators technically ends at 6, but you can adjust to 5 or even 4 PSI. And finally, if you notice one of your deflators losing accuracy, this could be because of debris being stuck in the mechanism. Try this simple cleaning and recalibration to rectify that issue. You'll remove your locking cap, the spring and plunger. You want to make sure there's no debris around the O-ring or on the exterior plunger. And then you'll want to look through and make sure that in the body there's no debris in here, and you can give it a quick breath. You can use some compressed air if needed. Install your spring and plunger, reinstall your cap, and reset your desired pressure.